Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to count unique values in Excel. So let's just say you have tons of items right here, or let's just say fruits or names, and then you want to identify unique values or those items or words that are not duplicated. So let's just say original words. So what you're going to do here is basically you just have to follow this formula that I'm going to add. Actually, it's not that really hard. So as you can see here, these are fruits names, and we're going to identify unique values here. So what you're going to do is you just have to simply copy this formula right here. Okay, and then after that, for the range, you just have to highlight this. Okay, and then for criteria, you just have to highlight again and then press enter. And then you will see the result. So when you press enter, you will see here there are 12 unique values out of 21 items right here. So basically that's it. You just have to follow the formula. So in case you want to know again, this is the formula equals sum product, open parenthesis symbol, then slash count if. For range, select all. For criteria, select all, and then press enter. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.